The Secret is a best-selling self-help book written by Rhonda Byrne. The book is based on the concept of the law of attraction and suggests that we can achieve success, happiness, and abundance by harnessing the power of positive thinking. According to the book, the law of attraction is a universal principle that governs the way our thoughts and beliefs create our reality. The book suggests that by focusing on positive thoughts and emotions, we can attract positive experiences into our lives, while negative thoughts and emotions attract negative experiences. The book explores the idea that our thoughts and emotions create a vibrational frequency that attracts experiences of a similar frequency. The author emphasizes the importance of gratitude, visualization, and positive affirmations as tools for harnessing the law of attraction and manifesting our desires. The book features a collection of stories and examples of people who have used the law of attraction to achieve success, happiness, and abundance in their lives. It also includes insights from spiritual leaders, philosophers, and scientists who support the idea of the law of attraction. Critics of the book argue that it oversimplifies complex issues and promotes a magical thinking approach to problem solving. Others suggest that the book can be harmful if it leads people to believe that their negative experiences are solely the result of their own thoughts and beliefs. Overall, The Secret is a controversial and widely debated book in the self-help genre. While some people find its teachings empowering and transformative, others are skeptical of its claims and urge caution in its use.